In Session 6, you will discuss Pareto charts, which is a useful tool for addressing problems. But first, let's talk a little bit about the role problem elimination plays in process improvement. There are two major ways to improve processes. One is problem elimination, identifying and removing problems such as injuries. The other is innovation, developing and implementing new ideas for improving processes. Chita starts with problem elimination because it's easy for operators to identify problems. Process problems often make the operators upset, so addressing process problems gets the operators emotionally involved in the program. And since Chita focuses on making those problems that frustrate the operators go away, the operators are motivated to participate in the program. Some ways to identify problems: listen to operator concerns and complaints, which is how we started the Chita program. Pareto charts of on-time performance failures, customer complaints and returns, process rejects, process downtime, and injuries will highlight the problems that are having the most negative impact on operations. When we discuss the other metrics, we will often refer to Pareto charts as one of the tools for improving the metric. Pareto charts help us to rank and prioritize problems. Managers often become overwhelmed in responding to the many problems that arise, making it difficult to resolve each problem so that the problem doesn't reoccur. They often slap a bandage on the problem and move on to the next problem. For example, if an important customer complains about late orders, they may assign someone to follow and expedite those customers' orders, instead of improving the process to make it run on schedule. Ranking and prioritizing problems using a Pareto chart helps management to stay focused on the critical problems long enough to permanently correct the problems. Problems should also be prioritized based on operator input. One reason management takes so long to remove problems is because the operators do not fully participate in the problem resolution process. Operator participation in problem solving will greatly speed up the process of problem elimination. Are there any reoccurring problems in your operations? In Session 6, you will introduce the operators to the Pareto chart tool. A Pareto chart ranks events by frequency. In the example here, injuries are broken down by type and ranked by the quantity of each type. So, in this example, there were a total of 23 injuries during the year. 7 of them were lacerations, 6 were strains, there were 6 contusions, 3 eye injuries, and 1 burn. The Pareto chart visually communicates that lacerations were the biggest cause of injuries and that removing the problem of employee lacerations should be a company priority. For Class Exercise 8, Question 1, using the 12-month injury data, the operators will make a list of the injury types and write down the quantity of each type. Using the information from Question 1, the operators will draw a Pareto chart. In Session 7, you will introduce the next problem elimination tool, fishbone diagrams.